So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can add your Revolut card to Apple Pay. So firstly, you'll want to open up the Monzo app to the home page here, and then you'll want to click on the card option at the top here. Then for the next step is you'll need to select which card you want to add to Apple Pay. So you'll just want to go ahead and select it. Then it should open you up to this page here. Now, of course, you can add it manually by viewing the show details. But conveniently, if you're on Apple, there should be a shortcut here which says Add to Apple Pay. And then once you've done that, it will then open you up to Apple Wallet, and it will just ask you to confirm if you want to add your card to Apple Pay, to which you'll be greeted by these terms and conditions. So just give that a read, and if you agree, click agree. And then again, nice and simple, you should just be greeted with this screen here, which confirms that your card is now added to Apple Pay. And then finally, if you do want to add Revolut as your default card, it will then give you the option at the end here. And then once you've done that, you should then see your Revolut card within Apple Pay for you to start making payments with. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. Of course, if you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And thanks again for watching.